Usohan bata charji ulayo ia ke top most position aga research jangka custom science bala penmana ka Mekhla Board of School Education mentagasngi ulio Samla Pule jangka Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ulayo irut dengan terma ka kisantali ki subject manakala yang usongat uperta ulayo penyekeran ba undi Samla bala sekolah peneng ke jingkeman jangki para khana skol juru ke jingkeman jangki ni kai
Right now, it's a mixed emotion. Right now, I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now.
So scoring 100 in physics, it's a first in the entire board, and you're the one. So how did you do it?
The entire credit goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10, 11 o'clock, I called her. She gave me reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, Miss, for helping me, not only in physics, in all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here.
So what does it take to get here?
Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10, 15 hours a day, you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible.
So now this is done and dusted. What's next?
Next, my plan is to go for BSc Physics, taking major in it. So, hoping for better colleges and let's see.
Usungan uperta ulayo penyekeran dulu baka principal school Mrs. Jona Goswami.
Nothing is possible. Laban Bengali Boys has come a long way. We have been working towards accomplishing the results, and it is nothing but teamwork, honestly, because good results are not possible for just one person. It's the entire teaching fraternity of Laban Bengali Boys. And I would give credit to our high school teachers also, not just the higher secondary, who have constantly been monitoring our boys. And that is the reason why monitoring, guiding, mentoring, and that is the reason why perhaps we have been able to achieve whatever we have. But we are humbled. We are humbled because after all, this year's celebration is this year, tomorrow it's a new day, new challenges. Siva, I think we should not go by the name, because a name can be made, a name can be destroyed. And Laban Bengali Boys perhaps took time to come up to this position, but once we have come up to this position, we mean to be here. We mean to be here. And isn't it better that there should be a healthy competition among the different schools? Why should it be the priority of just one or two institutions? This year it is us, next year it could be someone else. And schools are everywhere, and believe me, schools outside Shillong are also doing well. But what happens to us is that, we just look at the list of positions. Alright, so I don't think it's a brand of names, because honestly I have never believed in that brand. Alright, anyone, it's a free world, free game. Anyone who's good will be doing well.